So hello and welcome back to yet another how-to video, and in this one I'm gonna show you how to remove the center console on Ford Fiesta MK8. This one was an ST line, I believe. Don't mind the Ford performance, it was not Ford performance. So basically what you need to do to get to the end is there is, I believe, here a screw underneath over here. So as you can see, there is this screw over here. I believe it's a 35 torque, something like that. Yeah, 35, maybe even 30. It's 30. So torques 30. On this side there is two more bolts. One is here, another is over this side, and same goes on this side. Again, you have this cup and you take this out and you unscrew it, and there are two more on this side. Let me show you. So here there is this one, I believe, again. So I'm not really sure, I believe it's 10 basically here underneath. No, again, torques 30, so one of each side, and that's that. So let me unscrew these and then we continue on. Before you come to that, obviously you need to remove all of these, but I did show that in a previous video. So the climate control and everything connected here to this one. Yeah, this one still has engine and transmission inside of the car. So yeah, basically we need to take this out as well, but I will show you when we come to that. So let's unscrew some bolts and then we continue on. So I'm gonna start with this one. So this bigger one, I do like this black Parkside tools. So basically this side now open, on the other side it's gonna be the same. I will just unscrew this so you don't. So I wanna take that screw out and then we continue on. I can show you as well. So let's see here. Let's see here from this side. So basically you take that one out, maybe from downside. Yeah, downside better. You take it out, unscrew it, and that's about that for this one. So rest is these smaller ones and those on left and right side. So left and right side. So let me take these two and those two and then we continue on, because don't need this video to make like 4 hours. So these two are 20, so you need torques 20. Unscrew it, and that's about that for that one. So I believe right now only thing that's left, let me remove my Red Bull. Only thing that's left is this cover from the handbrake. So that one goes together, I believe, with this one. I'm gonna use plastic tool to get to that one, because I'm pretty much sure. Yes, so the plastic goes like this. There is I mean, you probably can do it from this side, but let me show you. So just use the plastic holder, or if you have that one plastic. If not, probably most easy way is the screwdriver, just somewhere around here, and after that, as you can see here, what's holding it is this side. So yeah, basically that's that's that. And then this cover, this you need to move like this up. After that it's just maybe put this a little bit up. So yeah, if there is any electricity here left, there might be some. Probably there is some wire. Yeah, there is a little bit of wiring on this side. I will take those out. As you can see over here, that's just that one. So nothing overly too special. That goes all around back. So two wiring cables here, at least in this version. So one is for USB, I believe, yeah. Another one is rest of the cables. So yeah, after that you just take it out. So this one you can take all together out, and rest is just like this. I do hope you can see. It's kinda two-hand job, if you ask me. So there you go. So I hope this helped a little bit. So basically you have, let's summarize the things. So we have one here bolt, one is over here, and you saw that one. Oh, I missed this one. It's on it left, so second. So this one, it's much more easier if you take that screw out instead of this. So basically it's the same, no matter if you have the handrest or not, it's the same thing. So yeah, I'm not really sure if there is any kind of aftermarket stuff for this, but yeah, anyways, I hope this helped. Next up probably gonna be the airbags, because I have many questions about that one, but to get to the airbags I had to go with this one first. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and see you probably in the next one. So till next one, see you.